Welcome home.
Welcome home.
We are at Disney's Saratoga Springs Resort. We are in a deluxe studio. So this is a Disney Vacation Club resort, but you don't have to be a DVC member to stay here. You can still book a room here. So let's go. So right when you walk in, we have kind of like a little entryway. And oh, here's like some hooks and everything. These rooms are recently renovated. Maybe in the last, what, year or two?
Yeah, a couple of years.
Yeah, so right when you walk in, we have kitchenette.
It's a really nice one too.
It is. So fridge, coffee pot.
A big one too.
Yep, full size. Toaster and coffee. We've got like all of the utensils, paper towels, microwave. We've still got paper products here. And then dishwasher stuff. Just some storage there. So for waters or food, and then bathroom here. So this is just like sink, vanity. We've got a makeup mirror, towels, hair dryer, just like some storage actually, which is really nice. Lotion. And good amount of counter space. Just one sink on this one though. And then closet.
Which is big. Like a lot of closet room in here.
So got your safe, ironing stuff, and pillows and blankets and hangers. The vacuum, that's in most DVC rooms, which I don't know who's using that, but we'll come back to the bathroom. Check out the main room. So Deluxe Studio is one queen bed and then one queen, this is a Murphy bed. So it's nice. We've got storage under here.
Yeah, it's a lot of storage, which is nice.
A little towel, Mickey towel, which is sweet. Obviously Saratoga is like, you know,
the races,
like horse racing theming. So that's kind of cute because it's like the jockey helmet, but it has Mickey ears.
It's cute.
And I really love this headboard.
Yeah, that's pretty. And then these like lamps are pretty cool too.
Yeah, the whole nightstand.
They have the plug-ins right there. It's cool.
I really love these nightstands. I just think they're so pretty, like the marble and so this is cool because it's the couch, right? And then we've got our...
Look at that.
We've got our coffee table. And, I mean, if you really wanted to put storage or whatnot in there. And this is on wheels. Okay, now I can't get this down. Row. Okay, we got that down. So we have mom and dad with us.
They're out on the patio.
So when
hey guys,
when it's time for bed, we'll move that, and then this
we'll pull down.
Comes down. Okay, so we got it. It says Saratoga Springs Stable.
That's pretty.
And then it does have the like hidden Mickey here too.
It's pretty cool.
So it's easy. And truly, these beds are not, like they're still comfortable.
Yeah, they're pretty nice.
It's nice. So you could kind of scoot this back here if you wanted, or wherever you wanted to put it.
And then a lot of drawer space.
Lots of drawer space.
Big drawers.
And then this is a bench.
With more
but it
space.
also has drawer space. And then trash, recycling, big mirror here, and then of course like all
More
of the plugs
plugins,
and everything.
Yep. You
And
like all
then
that stuff.
It's nighttime, but you can come see the patio.
You might have to.
Out here? No.
You might have to show this in the morning because we have a shot of the golf course out there. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the bunker.
Yeah, it's nice though.
Cool.
This is just a deluxe studio standard view, so we have a golf course. Mom and Dad are just hanging out. We're in the grandstand section, which was building 9.
They didn't have. I don't think they had the buildings necessarily numbered,
okay.
but
We were like 9336 in the
Yeah.
grandstand. This is a huge resort.
yeah, it is.
So big.
It is.
So if you are staying here, it's bus transportation to all of the parks. But one nice thing is it's very close proximity to Disney Springs. So there is a walking path or there's a boat that goes to Disney Springs. So if you are planning on doing a lot of Disney Springs time, it would be, you know, in your best interest to try to request a room closer to that path or to that side, because it is such a huge property. Multiple pools, of course. The lobby is the carriage house. And then the last we're going to show is the bathroom, which is
It's really big.
pretty spacious.
Yeah, it's a big bathroom.
So it is a tub. And then if
Yeah, it's
they
a nice
do
tub.
have the like detachable, is that what it's called?
Yeah, I guess the shower heads and then the
And then
rain
the
shower.
rain, yeah.
Yeah, pretty nice. And then the pumps.
It is nice. It's a nice refurbished or renovated room. I like the theming. I like the floors. You know, I like all of the kind of fixed up touches. The 1 bedrooms here, like in the 2 bedroom, the villas look super nice. And actually we toured
Mm-hmm.
the 3 bedroom villa with Mom and Dad, my parents. We toured that like a year ago. Here we came and just, that was a beautiful
It was a couple stories, which was nice.
yeah. Okay, we're getting more settled into the room, and I just wanted to touch on a couple more things. The fan is really nice. And then, we got our waters all set. Hanging our coats. And then we've got a full-length mirror here, which is nice. Where at, Corey?
Right there. Inside.
Oh,
Yep.
there we go.
It's kind of cool.
That is cool.
It's cute.
Oh, and then the extra pillows for this are in the closet.
Right.
So, other than that, that's the room. Okay, so we are going to show a little bit more. Corey and I are going to the carriage house to go get some breakfast items for us to have in the morning. So, we're making our way towards the carriage house. Is that what it's called?
It is
We have the map.
called the carriage house.
The carriage house, the lobby.
Oh, I think it's over there with all the lights.
Okay. You get kind of turned around, especially in the dark.
Mm-hmm.
And it's been a long time since I've stayed at Saratoga Springs. And last time we were here touring and everything, it was just during the day.
Get lost. It's a big property.
It is easy to get lost.
Yeah, a lot of cool stuff to do, but it's big.
It's big.
Yep. Which is pretty cool, like splash pad.
I know, we're passing the grandstand
stuff.
pool. Do you want to stop and take a little look-see?
Sure.
Okay. What does this say? Oh, poolside bar, but it's closed right now.
Oh, it's called the Backstretch Bar. That's kind of cool.
And
Looks
then,
like they got some food.
oh, that does look decent.
Want me to go in?
Sure, why not? So we've got pool.
It's supposed to be like
Oh, what? That's a gator floaty.
funny.
That's hysterical. And then, oh, stables.
I think, right?
Horse stables. Quite the theming.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, that's so cute. The little splash pad. Oh my god, that's so cute.
It's a really cool splash pad for it not being the main pool too.
I know. Well, this is such a big resort. There's many pools. And then hot tub over there. And then, of course, like tables and things if you want to go to.
And you have your own restaurant here
the
too.
pool bar. Yeah, the
Like
restaurant's nice.
Like the menus are on the table.
That's nice.
Yeah.
On the road again. We're on the path again. We're hoping that we get to the carriage house. But we're following some other crowds, so I think we're going the right way.
We're solid.
People have probably turned this vlog off by now because they're like, I ain't listening to this girl.
Just don't unsubscribe.
Yeah, just don't unsubscribe, please. I can see the boat lights right there of the boat going to Disney Springs. And we do see the carriage house. So we're almost there.
Well, this resort's really cool because this is where the Lake Buena Vista golf course is too. So it's right down here actually. That's the clubhouse.
Which you have played.
My brother-in-law Aaron and I have played here. It was a lot of fun. And you kind of weave through the old Key West Hotel and Saratoga Springs. It's really pretty.
Resort.
Yeah, resort. And that's where our room backs up to, is one of the holes.
Yeah, I know. I love that too. For all the golfers out there, Corey definitely recommends that course.
It was a beautiful course. It was really nice. Well kept. It was really pretty. Challenging.
Now I know where I'm at. Here we go. Into the main lobby.
There you go.
Yay!
There's the main pool probably
Yes.
right up here.
Main pool. Ooh, do you actually want to go over there? I bet they're doing Movie Under the Stars. Should we go see?
Rob.
This is dining in here where they also share like the store and everything. So we'll head in there in just a second, but let's go see what's going on at the pool. It's actually not that busy.
It's not. It sounded like it, but there's not. It was nice. It looks like a nice little slide.
That slide is
Splash pad.
really fun.
Cool.
You go right up there and then woo, coming out right there. Got a little hot tub.
Like a fun night. So that's like a little kid slide.
Oh,
right
it's
here.
a baby slide.
Yeah.
That's so cool. Oh my gosh. That is so fun. I love that.
They still got the bar open.
Oh, the pool bar is still open.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It is,
8:30?
almost 9. 8:45.
8:45?
It closes at 10, I think.
Now, I don't know where they do the movie. Last time I stayed here, they had the movie Under the Stars in the pool area. So, but maybe they have it posted up in a different location. Because I would assume that's still happening, going on right now. There's On the Rocks. And there's the arcade over there. Oh my gosh, how bad do you want to go down that slide right now? Oh, there's the hot tub. Over there.
There's two then.
Where was the other one?
Over there.
Oh yeah. 2 hot tubs.
Pretty cool.
It is cool. I like this pool area.
Yeah.
The Artist's Palette. So this area, thank you, is kind of small. We've got like a small quick service area. Oh, hello. Easter baskets.
They do have some stuff.
Okay, we'll go see what kind of food they have. Look at that. Baskets full of magic. next weekend is Easter. And then their quick service area like merges with the gift shop. So kind of a smaller area. But we're gonna see what kind of food they have for breakfast items. Okay, we got everything?
Yeah, I'll get mine.
We've got some oatmeal, cereal, bagels. Got all the goods. Here's a little bakery. That's cute. They've got all the DVC merch, but quite a bit of Saratoga specific.
They do. It's pretty cool.
Like a shirt, a hat.
Look at this. It's like a DVC sweatshirt. This is kind of nice.
I thought that was really cute too, but on the back it's specifically for Saratoga.
Oh,
I know. Wait, show it.
I mean, like what the idea is.
Yeah. See, I love the color in the front, but
I was afraid to like
it's like specifically a Saratoga
yeah.
outfit. Man, they have like everything Saratoga. Aww, this is actually super cute. Oh yeah, we've got quite a bit. Leggings. A pillow. A purse. Got our breakfast stuff. And we will make our way back to the room. But this is actually like the check-in area over here. Oh, pretty. Cute. Aw, little Pegasus. And Max. All of the Disney horses. Well, okay, I'm not sure. Is that the horse from Beauty and the Beast? Definitely don't know who these horses are. Whoopsie daisy. This one. If you know, let me know, because I certainly can't remember right now. But I love the colors and design patterns. It's pretty. So luckily it really wasn't that far of a walk from grandstand to carriage house. So that's nice if you want easy access to the lobby and food and main pool. That is a good section to be in. So we're walking back to our room and we hear fireworks.
Yeah, it's not a Disney night without fireworks at night. Huh?
Right, we don't see them.
But we heard them.
But we do hear them.
And based upon time, it would be Epcot.
Yep.
Because it is 9:06, so
that is the last showing of Harmonious ever.
We get to listen to it.
And we're just listening to the booms. That's it. That's okay. We already said our goodbyes to Harmonious. That was a good show. You loved that show.
I did. I thought I enjoyed it better than Enchanted.
Enchantment.
I'm excited for Happily Ever After to come back.
Tomorrow night.
Yeah,
it's gonna be back. Alright, well that's gonna do it for Saratoga Springs. A quick room tour, a quick little vlog. So please subscribe, please like. Thank you so much. Good night.
Bye.